Welcome. If you want to change map in online game on Among Us, at first you have to go for the online game, then create new game, and as you can see here we can change the map, but when you are actually in the game you just have to go back and create a new one like I did. And as you can see, when we come closer to the PC and try to customize and change the maps right here, this option is not appear here, but if you go for the local game and create one, you will be able to change map by entering the customize options. As you can see right here, we got this feature. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!